Mahindra's recent global reveal event, a beautifully curated evening for the senses, we got to check out the Mahindra Lifestyler, a new pickup. And what a head turner it turned out to be. Hello and welcome to Turn of Speed. I'm Rachna Tyagi. Today we are here in Bombay for the unveiling of the Mahindra Lifestyler. And this is a very, very robust vehicle that has been unveiled in 3 different variants. There's the Reef, there is the Trail, and then there is the Valley Edition. And we're going to get you all the details in just a bit. So don't go anywhere. Check out Mahindra's latest workhorse plus lifestyle vehicle that has been built not just to withstand whatever different terrains throw at it, but also to be the perfect fit for international markets such as Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and even the Middle East. From boardroom Mondays to surfboard Sundays, that's what this Mahindra Lifestyler is all about. And this is the Reef Edition. There's also a Trail Edition as well as a Valley Edition. If you look at the tires, what you get here are 18 inches, and again this is a diamond cut alloy in a dual tone. You also get these very squared off wheel arches over here. Attention to detail, they haven't missed out on the mud flaps. This is something that is a must on any vehicle, and especially a vehicle of this kind where the person behind you is not going to curse you thanks to these mud flaps, so that you don't go around splashing mud or muck on the road at the cost of the vehicle that's behind you. Now, not only is this vehicle really robust, but if you look at the tail lamps, you will see that there are these ice cube like figures in here, these LED segments that you see over here, and this kind of seems like it's been carried forward from the Mahindra 7XO. And you'll also see this in the front, which means that they have brought those design elements from the front to the rear. Now what you get is also a very, very strong and what looks like a very reliable tailgate, and this should really hold the Mahindra Lifestyler in very good stead. Also, the plastic finish inside just feels very, very good, of a very, very good quality. So it's not like they've used some really cheap plastics, but if you take a look inside at the bed over here, yes, it looks like it's really quite upmarket. And at that price, it really looks like a very, very good offering for now. And as we spoke just a few moments back that this is the Reef Edition, and we're totally bowled over by these decals. This has something of a sea and a little bit of surf quality to it, and there's also a surfboard on the top that's mounted there. This is purely very, very outdoorsy, and this looks like one of those very, very robust vehicles that's going to be taking you, like they've said, from the boardroom to your beach. Now in a pickup, what's really very, very important is the front fascia, and of course the lights are spectacular. These LED DRLs over here absolutely look stunning. There's also these ice cube fog lamps, again, like we've mentioned before, coming from the Mahindra XUV 7XO, their previous vehicle. Absolutely stunning. And there's also a very, very robust bar, a bull bar of sorts, which looks really, really good over here. Besides, they've used a lot of black piano finish, which really, and it's got all these chrome elements over here, which absolutely looks stunning. And there's also the lettering Scorpio done in a fabulous font. So we give it a thumbs up. And when can you expect it by? Summer of 2027. April is more like it. So what do you think of the Mahindra Lifestyler? Do you think this dual personality vehicle offers compelling value for the refinement and the ruggedness that it comes with, making it not just a workhorse, but also an equally capable vehicle when it comes to play? Do let us know what you think about it in the comments section below. See you in the next one. Ciao.